Hello guys, this is a universal charging adapter or a universal travel adapter from LENCENT. This is a universal travel adapter because it can be used in more than 200 countries, and it can be used in the Australian plug, the Europe plug, the US plug, or the UK plug, which means any plug that you have or you meet in the world, you can still charge your phone or your devices. So guys, this is a very wonderful charging adapter and with high speed. So I'm coming to unbox it and show you how wonderful and how powerful this universal charger is and how important it is for anyone to get sounds on this, especially with the tech content creators or anybody just traveling around the world. So guys, let me show you what's in the box. So guys, this charger adapter also comes in a case and it's very wonderful. I'm surprised, like, wow. This makes it even more cooler to get your hands on. So this is a manual for the charging adapter, so you can read it to know more information about it. So guys, this is the LENCENT charging adapter that can be used in any country or more than 200 countries, basically any country. And it's very wonderful. So when you look at this side, you can see the Europe plug has a button here in which you push for that plug to get out. The UK has its own here, and the US or US of A has its own here. And when you turn to this side, you can see they have 3 USB ports here and a Type-C port also here, so which means you get 4 different ports, that being the 3 USB ports and the 1 Type-C port. With other LENCENT products too, you can purchase the number of ports you like. They have ones with only 1 USB port and 1 Type-C port. They have 2 Type-C ports, 2 USB ports. Depending on your choice, you can choose this. And you can see here the ROHS Type-C 3A 3 amps, USB Smart 2.4 amps, total 3.5 amps max, which means that it produces you with a very fast and good charging rate. So with much being said, let me show you how to use this charging adapter in each of the plugs that you find yourself available with. So when you have yourself an Europe plug that's available to you, you just have to shift here and you can see the Europe plug has pulled out. So this is an Europe plug that if you find yourself with any plug or socket that has only UK Europe functions, you just have to pull this pin to activate it. So to pull it back, you need to just press here, hold, and pull it back. So you find yourself with the UK, you have to do same. You just have to push it out, and this is the UK plug in which all of us we know. Like in Ghana here, we use this UK plug. Then you just have to shift it back again, press, and you put it back. This is the US O2. You pull, the US gets out, and with this US pin, it comes in 2 different forms. You can see this normal street pins, but you can see other devices with a little bit of bent pins. Hey, don't worry, this charger adapter has holes at the side, so you just can turn them, you can slant them, then you get to go. Voila, you can charge any device of your choice. So you just press inside and you pull it back. Now you have it like this. So guys, after plugging this wonderful charging adapter into your socket, you can also plug any country's charging port or charging pins into this. So you can see the US, the UK, and the Europe. You can put any pin or charging devices in, and it will fit very well, which comes with its nice 4 ports, being the 3 USB and 1 Type-C. So guys, let me plug this device in and you see how wonderful it is. Guys, so I'm using the only phone I have to record this video, so I'll be testing this adapter with my diffuser or my humidifier. So let me plug it in. So I'll use the USB port. It has a USB port, so I'll plug it in. Then I'll pull out the UK plug because we used UK plugs here. So I'll get it in. So after that, I'll bring my diffuser here. So we plug the diffuser in. So turn the diffuser on. So guys, as you can see, the power adapter is working very fine and very fast also. Sorry guys, I couldn't use my phone to test this wonderful LENCENT charging adapter because it's the same phone I'm using for recording this video. But if you use this charging adapter to power up your phone, trust me, you won't regret it because it charges really fast. If your phone has a fast charge, and this charger is then good for you, or if your phone charges slow with those locally chargers you find on the marketplace here in Ghana, you can just get this one, and trust me, you won't regret it. So if you are a tour guide, a travel expert, or you travel around the countries to do documentaries and stuff like that, you can just get this travel adapter and it will improve your life. Trust me. If you need one, you can just DM me or go to your US and UK online stores to get yourself one. This is Golo Media. See you in the next one. Peace.